By the end of this video, you will be able to access and use Sora 2 completely for free anywhere in the world. Obviously, that's assuming that it stays free, which it probably won't. So take advantage of it now while you can. Now, the video is going to be separated into 3 main steps, and the links for each one of these steps will be in the description, so you guys don't have to worry about clicking on the wrong thing and getting taken to some weird website or whatever. So to make sure you're clicking the links that I put in the description. But aside from that, let's get into step number 1. So step number 1 is going to be pretty obvious. You need to have an OpenAI account to access Sora in the first place. So if you don't already have one, then just create one. But for most of you watching this, you'll probably have one already. So just log into that account. Just to show you guys, it's going to be sora.chatgpt.com and then log into that website right there. Now let's go back because that's step number 1 already complete. So step number 2 is going to be the step we need to do in order to make sure that Sora thinks we're coming from a country that actually has Sora available. So the obvious option for this is going to be the United States. And what we're going to be doing to make it think we're coming from this country is obviously going to be using a VPN. Now the VPN that I recommend here is going to be NordVPN. I've been using it for literally like 5 years now, that's actually insane now that I think about it. But you guys can use whatever VPN that you want to use. Just make sure that it's coming from the United States and it should work out all the same. And again, guys, I will have a link in the description to make it easier for you guys, but you should be able to just create an account or just log into one if you already have one for whatever reason at a page that looks just like this. And that's going to be step number 2 done. But just to show you guys exactly how to connect to the USA VPN, make it a little bit easier, when you click on the extension in the top right hand corner, you'll be able to select which country you actually want to host your IP from, I guess, and then you just click on the United States one. It'll automatically assign you an IP address that's within the US, and you're literally good to go. That's all you have to do. If you guys are using another VPN, it'll work pretty much the same. I'm not exactly sure which ones you'll be using, but just make sure that you're connected to the United States and you will be good to go. All right, so now we're logged into Sora and we're on a United States VPN. But guess what? When we're logged in, what's going to happen? Obviously, for me, I'm logged in properly right now because I'm assigned with a United States IP. But what's going to happen to you guys is it's going to come up with an invite code, and then you're going to need to put in an invite code to actually give you access to the platform. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can go about getting this invite code, but by far the best one is going to be joining the OpenAI Discord. And I'm not even going to mention the other ways because it's literally not worth it. People talk about Reddit and joining Twitter communities and stuff like that. It's horrendous. Literally just join the OpenAI Discord. It's how I got in when I first wanted to get access, and it took me like 2 minutes to get a code. So again, guys, make sure you're clicking the link in the description. I'll have the official OpenAI Discord there. You can literally just click the link. You'll have to do a quick verification. It usually takes, I think with me, it was like 15 minutes. I had to wait for them to verify me. But then after that, let me just make this image a little bit bigger so you guys can see. On the left side within Discord, there'll be a channel that says Sora 2 codes, and there's literally just mad people posting codes in here all day. So you just got to make sure that you're doing it quick. Obviously, just copy and then paste it into the invite code section, and after that you'll literally have full access to the platform. So then you will be ready for step number 4, which is my favorite step, of course, and that is to get jiggy with it. Okay, now that's pretty much the entire process. I know it sounds simple. That's because it is. It literally took me like 20 minutes to do this start to finish, and 15 of those 20 minutes was me waiting to actually get verified by OpenAI. So now at the end of the video, I wanted to give you guys 3 codes here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to put up 3 codes on screen right here, and you guys can just copy and paste that. Hopefully it works for you. But if it does not, I will be giving away probably 7 more codes in my school community right here. And this will be a great opportunity for you guys to start making money with AI. If you've been watching tons of videos and you've been learning about AI, but you're not actually doing anything with it, this will be a perfect school community for you. I'll hold your hand and tell you exactly what to do in order to make money with whatever you want to do. For example, Sora 2, there are so many different ways that you can make money using this. And it's the easiest that it's ever been in the history of really technology in general, to be honest with you. So that's pretty much going to wrap up the video for today, guys. Join the school community if you want to. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Bye.